Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today, we're going to learn how to add the CMS or the content management system to your site, a tool that stores all your content in organized collections so you can manage hundreds of pages at once. Instead of designing every page manually, you just plug your text and images into a database, and the CMS automatically displays them in a single beautiful layout. So let's learn how to add it. On the Studio Editor, go to the left toolbar and select CMS. Here, you can choose to start with a preset or start by adding content. In this video, we'll be choosing to add a preset. First, select your preferred template. So browse the list for options such as custom, team, projects, news, and portfolio. Once you select one, hover over it and click on Add to Site. Wix will then automatically create three things: a collection, which is your database, a dynamic list page, which is an index of all the items, and a dynamic item page, the individual detail page. All right, so this is going to be your collection. Go ahead and replace the sample text and images here with your very own. And as you update these info, your pages will update instantly as well. You can add more items if you need to, and you can also delete items that you don't need. By the way, your changes will also automatically be saved. So let's see. And there we have it. By the way, if you go to CMS, this will also be added to your collection. So that's just a very basic example on how you can use CMS. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.